Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and I apologize if I've already done this video. I I had it still on my worksheet and I can't find it, so I don't think I ever made it. Pretty simple, and if you will take a screenshot of this right here, this will kind of help you. So I'll pause for just a second, you take a screenshot of that, or you could pause your video. One thing you need to do is you need to draw everything symmetrically. So I'm going to go 20 inches. I'm going to Control D, it'll make a duplicate and make the second one 10. And I am going to grab both of them and I'm going to hit L to put it against the page. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus key and hit P, put one in the center. I'm going to take this one right here and Control D and alternate C and rotate it a negative 60 degrees. Okay, whoop. Now I'm going to just take this one and make a plus key. I'm going to put this one right there. Now all we have to do is do one more rotation. Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C, and rotate it a negative 60. That's all you need. Then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete these 4 lines. And there's your shape. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, so I can fill it in and then move it. So I can move my shape now out of the way. I'm just actually going to move it. I normally would nudge. At this time, you're going to take your interactive fill tool and I'm going to put black on both ends. And I'm going to put that, I really like this color of blue. And then you could change the angle of that to make it whatever you like. Now at this time, I'm actually going to do it. I'm going to go to edit and clone it. And then I'm going to alternate C, which is a hotkey for rotation in the center, and rotate it 60 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. The reason I made a clone, and you can see that this is the control curve, is now we can change all of these, and I call it real time. So we're going to get the interactive fill tool, and you watch what I can do. Look what it does. I mean, completely changes your item. You know, you can make another bluer in the middle, maybe even another one, and maybe add this black a little bit, and just do whatever you want to with it. And it's doing it to all the shapes. I mean, you could actually add a white in the middle. I don't know why it'd probably be better to do a little gray maybe, so it won't kind of stand out. Maybe you can make it even a dark blue line. I don't like that. But you can also double click on that and take that line away. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.